Our dynamic brain, a universe within. The human brain is a marvel. It's an intricate network of billions of neurons. These neurons communicate through trillions of connections. This complex organ is not static. It's constantly changing, adapting, and evolving. Think of a bustling city at night. Bright lights flash, cars zoom by, and people move with purpose. The brain is a hive of activity. Information flows like electricity. New connections form. Old ones fade away. This dynamic nature is key to understanding our potential. We are not limited by a fixed brain structure. We can shape and mold our minds. We can direct our own evolution. Our brains are capable of extraordinary things. We have only just begun to scratch the surface of its potential. The journey inward is as vast and mysterious as the universe itself. The cosmic dance connecting brain, universe, and consciousness. The universe is vast and interconnected. Galaxies spiral through space, bound by gravity. Stars ignite and fade, their energy rippling outwards. Just like the cosmos, our brains are interconnected. Each part of the brain interacts with others. They form a complex web of relationships. This intricate dance creates our thoughts, emotions, and experiences. But the connection goes even deeper. Some scientists believe our consciousness is not just a product of the brain. They propose it's a fundamental aspect of the universe. In this view, our minds are like receivers. They tune into the universal consciousness. This interconnectedness suggests our thoughts and actions have a ripple effect. They extend beyond our individual selves. We are part of something much larger. Quantum leaps where thoughts meet reality. Quantum mechanics is a strange and wonderful world. It governs the behavior of particles at the smallest scales. One of its most mind-boggling principles is superposition. This means a particle can exist in multiple states at once. Another key concept is quantum entanglement. This is when two particles become linked. They share the same fate, no matter how far apart they are. These ideas seem bizarre in our everyday world, but they challenge our assumptions about reality. Some physicists believe these quantum phenomena might play a role in consciousness. They suggest our thoughts could influence the behavior of matter at a quantum level. This idea, while still speculative, is incredibly exciting. It implies we have a direct connection to the fabric of reality. Our thoughts might hold more power than we realize. Section 4. The Gatekeeper Within, Unveiling the RAS. Deep within the brain lies the Reticular Activating System, or RAS. This small but mighty network acts as a filter. It sorts through the constant barrage of sensory information. Imagine you're at a crowded party. Music is blaring, people are talking, and glasses are clinking. It's overwhelming. Your RAS is like a bouncer at the door of your consciousness. It decides what information gets through. It focuses on what's important and filters out the rest. This filtering process is essential for our survival. It allows us to focus on potential threats or rewards. It also shapes our perception of reality. The RAS is constantly learning and adapting. It prioritizes information based on our experiences, beliefs, and expectations. Section 5. RAS in action, from cravings to flashbacks. The RAS plays a crucial role in our daily lives. It influences our focus, attention, and even our behaviors. For example, have you ever noticed how when you buy a new car, you suddenly see it everywhere? That's your RAS at work. You've primed it to pay attention to that specific make and model. The same principle applies to our thoughts, feelings, and desires. If you constantly focus on negative thoughts, your RAS will filter for negativity. This can lead to a downward spiral. On the other hand, if you focus on positive thoughts, you're more likely to notice and attract positive experiences. The RAS also plays a significant role in addiction and PTSD. In addiction, the RAS becomes hypersensitive to cues associated with the addictive substance or behavior. This leads to intense cravings. In PTSD, the RAS can trigger flashbacks and anxiety. This occurs when it encounters stimuli associated with the trauma. Section 6. Rewiring the mind, the power of neuroplasticity. For a long time, scientists believed the adult brain was fixed. They thought we were stuck with the neural pathways we developed in childhood, but groundbreaking research has shattered this myth. Enter neuroplasticity. This remarkable ability of the brain allows it to change and adapt throughout our lives. It means we can rewire our brains by forming new neural connections. We can strengthen existing ones through experiences and focused effort. This discovery has profound implications. It means we are not prisoners of our past or our genetics. We have the power to change our thoughts, habits, and behaviors. By understanding neuroplasticity, we can unlock our brain's potential. We can create a better future for ourselves.